Today we're at the London Design Centre in Clerkenwell, London, newly refurbished, so looking beautiful, and we've got more than a dozen of these design centres around the world. We give our customers a complete solution. Our designers and project managers work closely to give our clients exactly what they want in terms of spec and design. We operate in hospitality, leisure, gaming, marine and public spaces and healthcare. We're well placed to supply anything from a small boutique hotel through to a large airport, offering stock solutions, ready to weave or bespoke solutions.
We provide design services to our clients, and these are bespoke design services whereby we're working closely with the client to develop ideas for a commercial property. In order to kick off with our design process at Brinton's, we always initiate a meeting with the client to discover what it is that they're wanting. Quite often this would involve them showing us mood boards, and it gives us a flavour for the sort of colours they're looking for, the sort of period of design, the style, whatever it may be. It just gives us a picture really of what we're going to try and create for them. And then having done that, we then would come back to the studio and we would think about the ideas, put some things together for the client to first just view as a starting point. And then providing they've given us the go-ahead, we would then take it on further to see how the design could relate to the space, and by showing it to them in the space, in floor plans and things like that. So it can be a long process or it can be quite a short one. Clients use DSO, which is an online design program, in order to see what sort of designs we already offer in our archive. It's a really good starting point for them if they haven't got any ideas yet for their scheme, or if they haven't been able to meet with us yet, then we would suggest they go on the website and they can flick through thousands and thousands of designs, which they can select there and then, or they can choose and then ask us to change and adapt to their needs. Design and project management work very closely together. The reason being is that the designer's great at coming up with the ideas for the design side of it, but they might not know that it's going to work in the space or not. So if a client's asked for a huge, beautiful floral design, we need to then discuss this with the project manager as to whether we can create that and in the right carpet widths, and how we can actually plan it. So that's where project manager comes in, and we have to just work together to work out what the best solution is, so the customer can get the design they want, but it can also work and can actually get made and put on the floor. What I really like about the job is the variety of work that we get involved in. It could be, this morning I could be at a meeting about a Renaissance style design that somebody wants me to look into, or this afternoon I could be going to a Oriental hotel and have to start thinking about Oriental motifs and things like that. So it is a real variety, and you have to really get to know your different periods of style of design really.
The way project management supports the client within Brinton's is we'll go to an initial start meeting, we'll follow it through the production process with production design, the design team at initial brief, and then we'll also involve the planners. We'll then take it to the client to make sure carpet is delivered on time when they need it for handover to their client. We'll then also offer an aftercare service of when installed, we can go, have a look round, make sure everything's okay. If there's any teething problems, we get those sorted for the client, and then the handover is complete. Things I enjoy about my job are the variation in projects, the different people you work with. You get to go out onto site and see all different types of installation, and once you see what you've actually put in and that's completed, it gives you a real wow factor on what you've done.
The most important thing that makes us different is our people and their preparedness to go the extra mile. But beyond that, our technology sets us apart. All the Brinton's weaving technology is designed by Brinton's, and our latest technology, 651 high definition weave, can weave up to 32 colours. No other manufacturer in the world can do that.